This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Terry Glenn Kirkwood. Welcome to this one-year-old beauty in prestigious Fairfield North. The Craftsman style arched front invites you into the ultimate seamless floor plan. Great room west/nat. Gas FP flows into open kit. West/granite counters, gas stove, abundance of cabinets and SS appliances. Dining area to the right which then flows into the family room. This home has lots of windows for that bright, cheery feel. Split bedroom plan west/spacious master west/tray ceiling, oversized ensuite bath west/big shower, LG walk-in closet and water closet for privacy. Bedroom 2 and 3 are spacious as well. Fab covered deck exits family room and has ceiling fan, TV hookup and gate. Yard has invisible fence. LG utility room west/west and D hookup, deep sink and loads of counter space for office/craft connects kit to garage. Workshop and garage plus walk-in crawl. A must-see. For more information, review the